Hey everyone, welcome back. Does the Dave app work perfectly on your mobile data but completely stops working the moment you switch to Wi Fi? Here's the quick fix. This takes less than a minute. First, go to the Settings app and then go to Wi Fi. Tap Wi Fi and tap the letter I in this inner circle next to your network name. Then tap Forget this network and then confirm it. Then toggle Wi Fi off. Wait for about 10 seconds, toggle it back on, find your network, and reconnect it by entering the password. This clears a broken or rejected network session that Dave was stuck on. After reconnecting, open the Dave app and try again. If it still fails on this, the problem might be your router. Try connecting to a completely different Wi Fi like a phone hotspot or a public network and see if Dave connects or works there. If it does, your home router is filtering or blocking the server's connection. Also, double check that no VPN is active under your settings. Go to General and then scroll down to VPN and device management. And even a VPN you turned off might still show as connected there, so turn it off here. After that, all you gotta do is forget your Wi-Fi and reconnect, test on a different network, and check if any active VPN. Dave will work on Wi-Fi again after all of these fixes, so subscribe for more Dave fixes.